Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace of Rich Freedom by Design. In today's video, we're going to talk about why life is a journey, and if you blink, you might miss it. First of all, step one, guys, I want you to find your purpose. Find your purpose, because without a purpose, you have nothing, okay? Most people through life don't have a purpose. They just go through life drifting and existing and not having any purpose or dream or desire to accomplish anything, right? It's unfortunate, but it is a reality, all right? The next thing is, step two, is learn to make the right steps. What I mean by that is focus on finding a mentor, okay? And then follow and listen to what the mentor says, okay? And take action, all right? Take action, all right? Step three, create a roadmap for yourself. Start jotting down exactly the reasons why you want to accomplish what you want to accomplish, okay? You know, do you want a big house? Do you want a nice car? Do you want time and freedom? You know what I mean? Do you want to spend more time with your family, your friends? Whatever it is, write all that stuff down, because that's going to be the jet fuel to creating your roadmap to success, okay? Step four, you don't need anybody's approval. All you need is your own, okay? Case in point for me, back in 2008, I went back to my friends. I told them I want to start an online business. I want to give back. I wanted to, give value. I wanted to create my own income, my own economy. And they just laughed. They just thought that it wasn't even possible, okay? So, and then I asked myself right now, why did I go and ask their approval? They weren't walking that path, so it makes no sense for me to even ask their approval, okay? I should ask someone who actually walked that path before, and that's the reason why I got a mentor, okay? Now, step five, guys, no one wants you to have your dreams be accomplished. No one, okay? No one. And I mean by that is, people that are successful, yes, but people that are around you, like your friends and your family, the majority, they don't. They really, really don't. Because I talked to my family in the past, in the beginning, and they were like, no. They didn't really care. They thought, like, yeah, just get a job and stick to a job. And then my friends, I told you, they laughed, right? And I watched this podcast one day. It was with Joe Rogan, and he talked about that the system doesn't care about you having your own business. It doesn't care about you, accomplishing your goals and your dreams. All it cares is about you having a job and working for somebody else. And when I watched this podcast and I listened to it, I was like, you know what? Joe makes a lot of sense. It's so true. Okay, there's no need for you to just exist. You can do more out of your life, but the system wants to keep you down. It doesn't want you to accomplish your goals or your dreams or your aspirations. Okay, and I 100% agree with Joe on that statement. All right, so guys, with that being said, my name is Rich Guzman. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss the latest updates, and click on the link below and let us know the number one recommendation that we use online to create income on the internet. Okay, so with that being said, guys, my name is Rich Guzman, and we'll see you on a new live very soon. Bye now.